What's up guys, Speedsters here, and today I'm unboxing my new Rage Black Marlin BL RC boat. Okay, let's open it up. So, first of all, everything is in foam out of the box. So, right here you got the controller, boat stand, and charger, tools and stuff, batteries for the controller, a battery for the boat, and obviously the boat itself in bubble wrap. Yeah. And then there is also the manual at the bottom. So I think this boat looks really nice. This is an awesome color. And it's also super big. In total it's 24 inches. It's also super light. So here it is on the boat stand. And to open up the back, this switch right here is pointing backwards, and then you just have to turn that around like that and then pull it up and then out. And there's not a whole lot of stuff. It looks really hollow, and that makes the boat like super light. So it is like really light for how big of a size it is. So in here we have the motor, ESC, receiver, and servo. And right here, this is where you put the battery in. In the back, you see there's the water cooling system. The water goes in through here into the tube. It goes down the side of the boat and cools the ESC and cools the motor, and then comes back out of this hole. And there are plenty of metal parts in the back. You got metal right here, here, and yeah. There's a propeller, rudder, and there are also a lot of adjustable things back here. This right here, if you pull this up, it will ride a little bit differently, the angle in the water. So that's nice that you could adjust that stuff. Here's the charger that it comes with. You plug this into the wall. It is US style. And you plug this into here and then plug that into that. And then it should be charging. The battery is a 3-cell 1800 milliamps LiPo battery. And it comes with a bag of stuff. In here is some tools, extra propeller, and right here is Velcro to put the battery in. To put the battery in at first, it comes with two sides of Velcro right here, and you pull this one side of it off. See, there's one side of the Velcro, and then this right here. So you want to stick this onto the battery. So you just pull the white off, and then put that onto the battery. And then you should be able to just Velcro it on like that, and then boom, it's in. Here's the controller. It comes with the 4 AA batteries that it needs for it. And on the controller you have the on and off switch. There is a switch on the top right here. This is only for like other vehicles that come with this controller. This is locked like that, so you shouldn't try it and move that. And right here we have a steering reverse and a throttle reverse switch. And then on the top of the wheel, there's steering trim. You could press that up and down to change the steering. And then the throttle trim, you could change that so that it's either going whenever you're not putting any pressure on the throttle, or going backwards whenever you're doing that. And right here is a knob for the steering radius. You could turn it all the way up if you want the full steer, and you could turn it down if you want less steer. So for a size comparison, this is NT H102 RC boat and UD Venom RC boat. Yeah, it's much bigger than these. And then just cause, here's a Traxxas Rustler beside it. Okay, so to turn it on, you're gonna want to put these batteries into the controller. You have to plug in the battery first, and the rudder should go back and forth for a second, and then you turn on the controller, which is a little bit different because I normally turn on the controller first, and then it makes a beep, and then you should wait till it till it makes those sounds, and then it should be ready to go. Okay, so let's get in the water. Okay, so we're at a pond and I'm gonna get the boat in the water. Okay, it's in. Wow.
What do you think?
This is cool. The trim's a little off right now. Dang, it turns so sharp.
Dang. That thing's fast. It's zipping.
Yeah, this is really nice. Turning left is a little bit harder, but that's just because of where the rudder is.
So you had an issue this morning or earlier. What was that? What did you do to fix it?
The motor was, so there's a part where the motor connects to the shaft to go to the propeller, and the motor wasn't connected to that. So I mean, it was loose screws, so we had to tighten that. Like, so whenever the motor spun, the propeller didn't spin as fast. Oh my gosh, the trim is all over the place. Yeah, if you're going faster, then just turn. Oh, and it can go backwards. It's so fun. Normally, the slower you are, the sharper it turns. But for this, the faster you go, the sharper it turns. Oh gosh. So if you're wondering what happens whenever it dies, you just have to make sure that you notice that it's getting slower. So yeah, it started getting slower and then I had to bring it in. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. This is a good boat and I would recommend it. The only bad things, it got a lot of water in it, so you want to be careful about that. And every now and then the trim would change itself and it started like going to the side whenever I was trying to go straight. So it is really fast, and whenever you turn it just does a full 180, which is really fun to do. Speedster's out.